You have to try these giant air-fried
crispy chicken and mushroom rice paper dumplings.
Start by mincing 2 chicken breasts.
Peel and grate 1 carrot. Squeeze out all the moisture. Shiitake mushrooms. De-stem. Finely chop. 2 spring onions. Cut off the ends and finely chop. Garlic. Ginger. Grated. About a teaspoon. To our mixture, we're gonna add oyster sauce, teaspoon, sesame oil, a tablespoon, dark soy sauce, a tablespoon, touch of rice vinegar. Give that a good mix. Touch of cornflour. Grease your air fryer baskets. Plate of warm water. Dip the rice paper into the water. Wrap it like a parcel. Double wrap it.
Air fry dumplings until cooked through and
I'm just
crispy.
gonna make a quick dipping sauce. Rice vinegar, soy sauce, and chili crisp, a teaspoon, a squeeze of lime, agave, water to thin it out.
Serve immediately.
Enjoy.